Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Shein points in 2025. So as you can see, I have tons of points. So if you too want to get free Shein points, go to this website, zoomods.com, and look for Shein. Alright, so it's actually at the top. So I'm going to assume that it's going to be at the top for you as well. So Shein mod right here. Press on this and it's going to start to download. So after this downloads, guys, we're going to get free Shein points. It's super cool. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and download here, as you can see. All right. So basically, guys, with this modded app, we can actually get free Shein points, as you saw, and it will kind of just like allow you to have these points. So as you will see in a second, the final step is here. It says mod installer, please install 2 free apps to automatically install the Shein mod. So there's going to be around 4 apps on this page. And what we have to do is download 2 of them and read the instructions. Now, they're all from the App Store and they're completely free, and we got to download 2 of them to like prove we're human. So just press on the app and then press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store, and make sure that you are reading the instructions below each app or this won't work. So as you can see, we got TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got WGT Golf, it says reach level 10. So I don't really know what to tell you, but make sure you read the instructions because the apps will vary and they will be different depending on where you live. So the apps you see might not be the apps I see. But anyway, after you do the verification, you should get your free Shein points. It's super insane, guys. So personally, I did this one, Family Island. I had to reach level 10 on it. I don't know if it's still there. So yeah, it's actually still there right now. So that one is available to do. You just press tap to install. It should bring you straight to the App Store, guys, and you download the app. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe if you want to get free Shein points. This is updated, guys. It's so cool. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, tell all your friends, bro. This is so cool, and it's fully updated for all devices, bro.